In our home, paboritong-paborito ang mga ulam na beef.
Guys, sino may gusto ng Filipino bistec tonight? Me! Tara, luto na tayo!
Tonight, magpre-prepare ako ng isa sa mga favorite ng kids ko, Filipino bistec. But I will make it even more special by adding my secret weapon. Para makagawa ng masarap na bistec na to, follow this recipe. To start with, mga 30 minutes ako nag-marinate ng slices of beef sa pinaghalong liquid seasoning and calamansi juice. Then, I'm going to brown the beef slices sa preheated oil over high heat. Once done, iset aside muna. In the same pan, maggigisa ako ng onions for 1 minute. Tapos, magdadagdag ng water, soy sauce, calamansi juice, sugar, and 1 beef cube. We'll let that simmer for about a minute.
Okay, time to add a special ingredient. Darling, can you please pass me the mayonnaise?
Of course.
Thank you.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Lady's Choice Real Mayonnaise, which will create rich, full, creamy texture to the sauce. Finally, add back the browned beef slices. Let the sauce simmer until nice and thick.
And it's finished. Yummy, guys. Doesn't it smell great?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go eat.
Yes,
Come on.
So there you have it, Filipino bistec made from the freshest ingredients and Lady's Choice Real Mayonnaise. A quick and easy meal the kids will love.
Sarap.
Yum, Mommy.
For this and other great tasting recipes, visit ladieschoice.com.ph.